Hi, my name is Rick. Weather Vane Roofing went beyond my expectations. I would give Weather Vane Roofing 5 stars out of 5 stars. I chose Weather Vane Roofing because of the way that Rick Schumann presented himself to me. And he was very professional and to the point about how the job would go. I had a great experience with Rick Schumann. The Weather Vane Roofing crew was very professional. They were actually courteous and polite. They were always making sure that they wouldn't damage nothing around the house. They paid very special attention to the existing landscaping and personal belongings around the home. They made sure that nothing got damaged and that everything was protected and put up protective equipment before they even started the process. With Weather Vane Roofing being on site, they never interfered in the daily life. It's like they weren't even here. They worked around you. I felt very safe letting my dogs out after Weather Vane Roofing was done. Every day that they were here, they cleaned up the job site before they left every single day. I chose Atlas StormMaster shake products on my home. Rick Schumann explained to me, since the area I live in, we kind of get a lot of high winds across the farm fields, that how the StormMaster shake was actually a more flexible and wind resistant shingle. And that's what really sold me on the product. With the Atlas shingle, we have a lifetime warranty on algae, a lifetime warranty on material, and a 20-year warranty on workmanship. And we also have a 150-mile-an-hour wind warranty. I am very satisfied with my decision to hire Weather Vane Roofing, and I would recommend Weather Vane Roofing to anybody that I know. They do a superb job. The one thing I would tell somebody if they called me and asked me about Weather Vane Roofing, I would say the professionalism of the entire company, from sales to the installers to the people in the office. My advice to somebody that is, if they're looking for something to just be fixed on their roof, or for their roof to be replaced, or to get an estimate, I would recommend that people call Weather Vane Roofing.
Always the right direction, time to call